Hi man, how are you?
Works. Thank you very much.
Welcome back everyone to another video. Today I have something a little different because this bad boy seems to have some pretty damn good price to performance. I bought this thing for 200 Aussie dollars off good old Gumtree, and it has a 1050 Ti, an X58 motherboard, potentially a 6-core CPU, and two 2TB hard drives that don't seem to be too old, so that's good. Basically, this thing on paper seems to have some pretty good price to performance, so I'm going to get it all open, I'm going to clean it all down because it's absolutely filth. Hey, yeah, I guess we'll see how that goes, and I'll catch you when I've done filming it. Filming it? Cleaning it. Alright everyone, so this is pretty much the entire hole. I just left the case out there because I'm still cleaning it. It's a bit of a monstrosity. Anyway, basically I think the main thing that we really got out of this was this 1050 Ti. Considering the entire build was 200 and these are like $100 on their own, that's pretty decent. And then this motherboard is actually quite special because I believe it was one of the highest end X58 motherboards because it has like water cooling integration into the North Bridge and all that good stuff. The unfortunate thing is about this area is that that's an i7-920, and i7-920s are about the worst you can get for X58, unfortunately. So I might swap that out with like a 6-core Xeon or just a 6-core in general, just make it worthwhile for this motherboard, because this thing is insane. Might actually just sell this on its own. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we'll see what happens, I guess. Another funny thing about this motherboard is this little heat-sinky thing that comes with it, and you actually attach that to the North Bridge like that, and then it cools it better, I guess. So that's pretty interesting. That was a pain in the ass to get out though, I'm not gonna lie. And then another thing that's actually quite useful for the channel is two 2TB hard drives. And that PC is running out of space because I've only got a 500 gig and a 1 TB. So it's like, you know, it's running out basically. And so these will probably come in handy. I'll just have 4 terabytes of extra storage. It'd be great. And yeah, we also got a cooler for the CPU. That's pretty handy. And a little Wi-Fi card. So that's nice. Unfortunately, the RAM that it came with is kind of just like crappy HyperX like 2 gig sticks. So I'll have to swap it out with some other RAM. So we'll see what happens, I guess. Yeah, that's about it for this video. If you guys enjoyed the cleaning montagey thing and all that good stuff, let me know down in the comments. This might be a 2-parter. I might build a PC and put it in the Masterbox Lite 5 that I recently reviewed on the channel cards, something like that. Yeah, so if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, like, whatever. If you want to see more content kind of like this. I might not actually do this again because this was a pain in the ass to make, not gonna lie. Yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more content like this. Maybe it'll happen. I don't know. I also have a Discord server that you should definitely join. Link will be here somewhere. I guess I'll see you guys all in the next one.